Hey, so today we're diving into how contractors are um, really innovating the renovation game for homeowners without liquid cash. You know, connecting homeowners with creative financing options to make renovations possible.
Yep, got it. Right, it's pretty interesting how they're tackling such a huge barrier, isn't it?
Absolutely. The idea is that many homeowners dream of upgrading their kitchens, bathrooms, or even adding an extra room. But, well, the high upfront cost stops them. Contractors can step in by offering various financing methods.
Exactly. So they're not just in the renovation business, they're essentially becoming financial facilitators too, right?
Exactly. There's a couple of key approaches. One, contractors can partner with financing companies that specialize in home improvement loans. This enables homeowners to pay gradually, often with low interest rates.
Right.
It's like lowering the financial barrier so more projects can actually happen.
And then there's the option of in-house financing, isn't there? But I guess that comes with its own set of risks for contractors, correct?
Yeah, so with in house financing, contractors essentially offer a direct payment plan to the client, which is great for flexibility and building lasting relationships. But, well, it does put the contractor at risk if, payments don't
True.
come through.
Some might say that could compromise cash flow or even strain a contractor's operations if not managed carefully.
Right? And that's where the debate really intensifies. Contractors need to weigh the benefit of expanding their client base against the risk of, taking on financial exposure they might not be prepared for.
Yep, definitely something to consider. Then we've got the mortgage financing options, HELOCs, and cash-out refinancing. I mean, these options can really help homeowners leverage their home's equity.
Absolutely. It's like turning the home's built up value into renovation cash. A HELOC, for instance, lets homeowners borrow against their equity, paying interest only on what they use. But banks usually have strict
Right.
credit requirements and fees.
Yeah, and cash-out refinancing, while it offers a lump sum, also involves those fees and approvals. So these are definitely not one-size-fits-all solutions.
Spot on. And then the really innovative approach is the home equity invoice agreement, or HIA. This ties the contractor's payment to the future increase in the home's equity after renovations.
Exactly, it's like getting paid by future value. That sounds pretty clever. Although I do wonder how accurately you can predict that future equity increase. Isn't that a potential pitfall?
Sure, that's a valid point. Determining the actual future value is tricky and often needs a real estate professional's insight. But it's still a game changer in expanding renovation access while building wealth over time.
Yep, definitely. So overall, contractors not only help homeowners achieve their renovation dreams, but also create a win-win, growing their business and client base.
Exactly. It's about, making quality renovations attainable without fronting huge sums. And with the right strategy, contractors can even benefit from tax incentives and long-term value appreciation.
Well said. Thanks for breaking that down. It's a smart, holistic approach that really challenges the traditional cash-only mindset in home renovations.
Totally. And for anyone curious to dive deeper, there are resources and even free masterclasses available to help contractors implement these innovative financing strategies.
Right on. Great discussion. It really underlines the innovation happening in the world of home renovations.
Build wealth, not just houses.